component. The chicken is all fresh, same thing. When you want to start? Good. Okay. We're preparing a dish of stir-fried chicken with veggie. It's gonna be ginger chicken, fresh veggie, fresh chicken, light oil, high quality oil. The oil is very important. Stir fry from scratch. So the nutrients and the flavor all stays in there. No pre-boil, no nothing. It's a very healthy way to eat because the food stays in contact with the heat for a very short time. We have some pre-mixed sauce by us, but it's very simple because it's usually you can add a little bit of oyster sauce, fish sauce, soy sauce, not too much for people that are on a low sodium diet. In this case, we put also a pinch of sugar because it's part of the recipe, some fresh mushroom, and we have our dish of stir fry good to go. See how fast it goes? Light oil, very high quality, rice bran oil, one of the best veggie oil on the market. Quick stir fry with ginger, side of white rice, side of brown rice, no side whatsoever if you want to cut on carbs. You have a full meal here, healthy, and I would say pretty delicious.